basically making it out, and yeah, made it down to Dare's Beach. Essentially a parking lot that fell off into the water, or at least it looks like it. Realistically, it kind of did. So yeah, just right off down to the sand and water. Yeah, I am now. Mine's already kind of scrambled right now because parking on this ground. Walked around to take a picture of my bike, which you will see right after I'm done talking. And yeah, one of the rocks in the asphalt actually came loose and the kickstand adjusted a little bit, and I thought the bike was going to fall over. Yeah, realistically, I was just way more nervous than it was actually going to fall over, but yeah, making my way down, going to Lusby. There's 2 water spots. One I've been to before, the second one I have not, but want to make it down there. I am a huge person to use Google Map and Street View everything. Essentially had a ride plan for yesterday, which ended up not doing it because it's been very windy here the last couple days and pretty chilly. Wanted to wait until it wasn't as windy to do it because it's going to be probably like an 8-ish hour ride. But yeah, it's gonna be super fun. Gonna do all the rides at coffee locations, and yeah, gonna go from Edgewater, Maryland to Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and yeah. Anyhow, getting out, going down south, doing a couple hours on the bike today. Gonna enjoy it, and yeah, just see what we get. See if there's any cool spots that I'm not expecting to stop at. So, let's go. So yeah, down in Lusby, nice water spot, nice little road that just runs right along the water. And yeah, off season, so it is super peaceful here. Came here last year and yeah, it was packed, but really nice to be here right now. So yeah, this is the first spot down in Lusby that I wanted to go to. Like I said, been here before. Next spot, have never been to, but found it on Google Maps and really want to go there. So, yeah, let's continue. And yeah, this is the last spot. Little private neighborhood. Didn't realize that it was actually this small and private of a neighborhood, and also didn't realize that this was a one-way circle. So yeah, I don't know why. Always want to have the drive side of my bike out. I guess it's just used to taking pictures of my bicycles this side. But yeah, wanted my bike to sit this way around this loop for the picture, and yeah, ended up going down the one-way street backwards. But super nice getting down here, nice back roads. Yeah, I don't know. Definitely check it out. This is Lusby. If you guys ever have any questions about locations that I go to, just let me know and I can help you out. Most of the beach location was obviously a public beach, but the first stop and this stop are both in private neighborhoods, but I still go there. Just try to be polite when I go there. And yeah, about hour and a half, 2 hours to get back. Let's go see what else we can get.